car.
I already said juice, so you...
I do it every year.
I know, it's good.
This is going to be your year to do it now.
Alright, I'm just going to cut it halfway and then break it off.
You're going to break it off. You're going to break our tree.
It's alright. The tree gets broken in the house anyways.
Alright, are you camcording already?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is 2016.
2016, my mom shit herself today.
Woo! My mom, why shit herself?
Yeah, that first camcorder in this took a neat shit. I cut the string.
So the job's getting passed to the new generation.
Yeah, new
I'm getting old
generation.
and my back is getting bad. So
That's my
Jay's
tree.
gonna be the new one to cut the tree down every year.
Oh man, we're going to Home Depot next year.
Kaitlyn.
Right way to do it. Woo!
No Home Depot. And you have to go all the way down.
You gotta come over here, Rose, so you get a good picture of him.
He's on the wrong side.
He can go any side he wants, whatever makes him
All the way at the bottom.
You see Dada? Look at Dada.
Put her down so she could go to Dada and help him.
You're all the way at the bottom, right?
Yeah, put her down. Vanessa, let her go to him. Come, Mama. You wanna walk? Come. And she said, no. Come. Hi, but no. Come.
What happened to that tree?
Come on, come on.
Come, Mama.
No?
Wanna come? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go see Dada. Come on, we're gonna see Dada cut down the tree. Hey, Dada. You cutting down the tree? You wanna help Dada? Wanna help him? Oh, Dada's having a hard time cutting down the tree. See? You wanna help him? Help Dada?
She's like, nah.
Dada.
Nah.
No brown either? Skinny one for you guys too.
Okay.
Careful, Mom.
So this one.
Oh, I think we might have found it.
Babe. You coming, babe? Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
That's too
You coming, babe?
for a while.
You gotta remember, we can
I can't laugh. Your tummy hurts.
Is it crackling yet?
It doesn't sound like it.
It's starting to shake.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Dada got it. Dada got it. Dada got it. Dada got it.
Yay! Alright. Yay! Alright.
Yay!
Yay! Hi, Dada.
We got it.
Yeah.